So tama pa lang di kita pinilit kasi kita kaya hindi ka nakakam up na magandang tanong, ano Jude? Charot lang. Okay, more questions. Babalikan natin yung Jude for Ken later, ha? Ayan, more questions. Sige, andyan na? Ayun, sa FPJ. Sige nga, please. Ayan pala naman yung mic eh.
Sige, question for Liza. Kasi, yun nga, fresh from Forevermore. Tapos, yun nga, breakthrough love team kayo. So, ano pa yung parang uh, discover nyo ni Enrique in terms of your love team? Parang, did you did something here na hindi niya ginawa sa Forevermore? Or parang, yun nga, parang in-experiment nyo para, let's say, trying to test yung
Mhm.
love team nyo o yung, ano, yung kilig factor.
Um,
Deliberate ba yan na you experiment on your love team? Tama, no? Kung they plan, they, ano ba, they
we
experiment,
actually
they explore.
we talk about it, what our strengths are, and what our weaknesses are. Like parang
Okay.
what works for us and what doesn't. Um, Kailangan ko ba sabihin kung what we think works for us? Hindi, siguro napag-usapan na po namin na parang um, our strength is that we can be very since parang innocent yung characters, but we can also play it up a little. Like dito sa movie, we were able to play it up and make it more um not naman sensual, but a little more playful or parang nagtitease, but it doesn't take away the wholesomeness of the love team. And also, oh yeah, anyway, yun yung ano, sa movie namin, yun, nag-play up kami a little bit. It's far from Forevermore kasi dito we speak in English, and basta sobrang layo po ng characters namin. But there are still, mararamdaman mo pa rin yung pagko-wholesomeness pa rin ng yung mga characters, and the innocence, and ano pa ba? Ano bang parehas? Hindi ko maisip. Basta yun yun po.
Yeah.
Okay, direct naman. In terms of the other characters, kasi syempre,
Yeah.
sa pag yun to, mga rom-com, ganyan,
Oo.
palagi na lang, ano, center na lang sa love team. Paano naman yung mga other characters na, ay, parang ano lang ba sila, siningit lang sila, ganun-ganun.
Actually, proud ako sa movie na to kasi yung other characters, even if they are the ones who are friends of the main characters, they have their own lives. So actually, full yung characterization ng mga writers sa kanila. If you, even if wala sila sa mga eksena, even if si, like for example, the character of Driana, si Sue Ramirez, even if she's just the best friend of Sofia, ramdam na, ano na dun siya, ramdam mo may pinagdadaanan din siya sa mga family niya, sa org niya, parang ganun. May mga sarili rin siyang concern. Even Andre, even if siya yung best friend ni, ano to, ni Ken, meron din siyang sariling problema. May sariling pinagdadaanan. Hindi man yung focus na sa kanila, but their characters na feeling ko well-rounded and yung characterization full.
In terms of production man, direct, kasi, yun nga,
Yung sa artista naman. Ano?
sige po.
Ay, go po. Go po.
Sige, magkahiyaan pa kayo. Charot. Go direct. Sige.
Ano po?
Yung ano lang,
Ang focus nila
oo.
sa kanila
Mm.
ay hindi naman kasi for me when you watch the movie you will see the other actors in a new light. You'll probably, like, for example, you probably saw Yves Flores in Forevermore na napaka soft spoken, napaka yung best friend na nandito lang sa tabi. Pero pag nakita mo siya sa movie, pag napanood mo siya sa movie na to, sobrang iba siya. Sobrang Janos del Prado. Yves Flores. Yung totoong Yves Flores lalabas. Even si Sue Ramirez, kung nakikita niyo sa mga MMK niya, yung mga nasaan ka na kailangan kita, napaka conservative, no, napaka tahimik. Dito naman iba rin siya. Iba. Sobrang may spunk. Kasi yung ibang characters na hindi yung kilala, like for instance, na Erin Ocampo, si Alex Diaz, yun, yung feeling ko makikita nyo sila in a new light sa movie na to. So, I don't think na yung kahit na yung focus ng movie ay sa mga main actors, feeling ko may madidiscover yung mga producers at yung mga ibang directors sa support na parang, kaya pala ng artistang itong ganitong klaseng role.
Okay.
In terms of production naman, kasi ginawa ba to immediately after Forevermore or habang Forevermore, nagtitaping na rin kayo ng movie?
Nag-start tayo, alam natin 'di ba lahat, nag-start tayo before Forevermore. Tapos nung nag-start na yung production, pumasok naman yung TV series. So yun yung sinasabi ni Liza na isa sa mga naging difficulty nila kasi sabay yung taping ng Forevermore, tapos nagshooting din nitong Just the Way You Are. Tapos after Forevermore, meron pang mga remaining na konting sequences, nag-resume and we finished it. So sabay siya.
Yun lang.
Mas nasunod naman ng TV, di ba? Charing! Kinuha na lahat ng schedule. Charing. Pero it was a phenomenal teleserye na talaga naman dun sila kinapitan and now we're gonna see them in a movie. Direct, anong inspiration mo? First rom-com mo to, di ba? Marubdo ba mga teleserye yung ginawa mo eh? As a rom-com director, anong inspiration? Paano mo pinipare ang sarili mo na, teka, first movie?
Yes po, first movie.
Tapos rom-com.
Oo.
Tapos sa teleserye mo kasi lahat mabigat.
Oo, yung mga, like for example, yung teleserye, yun nga, tama nga si Sir EJ, yung lahat ng teleserye ko mas more of yung melodrama. And then, siguro naman, at hindi rin ako nahirapan kasi Star Cinema baby ako. At yung nung creative assistant ako, yung may mga nasulat rin ako na rom-com. Nag-provide ako ng additional screenplay dun sa Juday Piolo na Till There Was You. And then, yung kina John Hart na My First Romance, sa mga Sandara dati na movies.
So you worked with Miss Carmen na rin pala before?
Yes po, sa My Big Love ni
Direct Jade.
Tony and
And
Sam. So yun po.
Yung mga creative managers, Vanessa, you worked with Miss Vanessa na,
Yes po.
Chris Gasman, ganyan?
Yes, si Vanessa at si Chris. Yes, opo.
Opo.
Yun, and basically, inspiration ko naman is, sometimes, diba, you get a little part of your personality and you inject it in the character of in the characters of the movie. So, parang feeling ko yung, the way yung kilig dito, parang feeling ko yung medyo repressed yung character. Repressed kilig, yung pigil, pero deep inside, internal, tapos hanggang sa bumuka, parang ganon. So,
Sino yung pigil? Liza or Ken? Liza. Kaya naman palang mahusay na nagampanan.
Sophia Bomoro. Yan po. Yan.
Okay, thanks Direk.
Thank
Okay,
you
more
po.
question. This is interesting. Ayan si Ning Ning Buning. Ning for... Yun.
Hello, I'm Ning. What is the objective of this film? Everybody can answer.
Objective in terms of...
On your opinion, for people na
Okay.
manonood nito.
When we created it, we just wanted to make a very light-hearted na romance movie. And then, sabi ko nga kanina kasi 'di ba, iba kasi nangyari kay Liza and Enrique. Bigla, grabe, 'di ba? Phenomenal yung naging response ng tao sa Forevermore. And so, naturally, 'di ba, yung objective mo nung simula nung pelikula, nadagdagan. Kasi 'di ba, kailangan mong mag-respond dun sa naging response sa kanila ng tao. Grabing minahal yung Forevermore. Grabe silang nagkaroon ng identity, 'di ba? Alam na ng mga tao kung ano yung minamahal nila kay Liza at Enrique. And because of that, nadagdagan, lumaki yung objective din ng pelikula. Na-retain yung gusto pa rin natin, syempre, 'di ba? Pinaka-sincere, maghatid ng isang magandang kwento, 'di ba? Nakikiligin ka, matatawa ka, kukurutin yung puso mo. At the end of the day, we want Liza and Enrique, yung story nila, to tell the viewers na, ay, ang sarap magmahal. Diba? Ganon, worth it. Yun. So, yun pa rin.
Ayan, masarap daw magmahal, Mami
Oo.
Jo. Oo.
Mami Jo.
Mm-mm.
For
Go ahead, Anning.
for
Liza.
Liza, how can people can relate in your character?
A lot of people can relate to my character kasi first of all, sa family, she has family issues and I'm sure there is no perfect family without issues. That is one. Sa love naman, Sophia kasi is the type of person who at first didn't have time for love. Tapos, along the way, syempre, when you get to know a person, parang, you start to fall once you find out how sincere that person is to you, once that person becomes nice and does sweet things for you. So, feeling ko, the journey to falling in love with the person, makaka-relate sila dun. And, syempre, pag nasaktan yung mga ganun.
Thank you. And
Thank
for
you.
direct, in general,